Hello everyone, compliments of the season. So today I just thought to show you how I revamped this wig. So it belongs to one of my clients. So she brought the closure and the 3 bundles. So she's used them before, and then she was asking me, oh, do I need to buy another closure? This closure looks so bald. It's not, it's not good. It's not this and that. I'm like, no, we can actually revamp this closure unit. So and then when I finished installing the wig, I decided to show you how I styled it and how I covered up the balding area. And if you have something like this and you have probably been throwing your closure away, then you need to see this video. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to need is your rat tail comb or any comb of your choice. And then this is the real deal right here, the hot comb. So it's the electric hot comb. And then you're going to need your wax stick or the wax cream. In this case, I'm using the wax stick. It's from okay, I'm just going to focus this right now. Just give me a second. The light is kind of too much. Just give me a second. I'm going to fix that now. So yeah, there you go. Right, so this wax stick is something you cannot do without if you want to slay your wig or your weave. Yeah, so this is one of the things I will encourage you to get. And then another thing that I forgot to tell you about is actually to use your what's it called, heat protector. So don't ever wear your closure looking this way at all. Do not go outside wearing a closure that looks like this. It has to be covered up. So your closure, like in this case, I'm showing you the distance where you have the closure. So this is what would determine how you're going to be parting, or how you're the side to which you're going to be parting the closure, so that it's going to cover up the bald area. So it's very, very easy. So you don't have to throw away that closure. Just look for the part that suits you, the part where you have more hair. Although in this case we have more hair on the other side, but because I wanted to do like I want the part to be on the left, so that's why I'm parting towards that area. And as you can see, I still have a bit of more hair from the closure on that side, so we are okay with that. So you have to keep parting until you are okay with whatever you get. So in this case, I'm just parting just so I have enough hair to cover up the bald spot. Like I said, I decided to show you this because many of my clients are always telling me they have thrown away their closure because it's balding out, it's this, it's that. And I feel like, well, it's okay to show everybody that this can be revamped. You don't have to throw it away, except it's like very, very, very bad. That's when you can, throw your your closure away. Yes, so right here I already got the part, and then we go right into flattening down the closure and the entire unit. So right here I'm showing you the control, so you can change it, and you have the on, you have the off button, and right now it's blinking, meaning it's not hot enough. And then you have the stand that you're going to use to position it on the table or wherever you want to put it. So right now my hot comb is hot and it's ready to use and to be used. And then, like you can see here, I'm just using the hot comb to flatten down the closure. And like I said, this is one very important tool that you need if you want to always have a flawless looking, a flat looking closure or a weave. It's going to give you that neat and sleek finishing for your wig. You never go out of your house having a closure looking like bumpy. It's not right. This is 2020. Like I always say, you have to step up your game. Okay, so right now, like I'm just like using the hot comb to flatten down the closure, and then I'm going to do that as well at the back. Okay, so the very important thing you need to see here is how I'm showing you the freezes. Like I said again, never go out of your house having all these freezes flying away and singing glory to the Lord. Okay, so this is where the wax stick is going to come in. And like I said, you can either use a wax stick or a wax cream. So this is a wax stick, and then I'm just going to go ahead to use it to lay down the freezes, just like I am doing right here. Okay, yeah, so there's nothing special. You just use it to, and then don't exert too much pressure. Don't put it too much. I'm just like gently like using it to slick down the freezes. I'm using that to tame the freezes, and then you will see the result, and you will see the difference in a bit. Okay. Yeah, so the wax stick, hot tools, the what's it called, the hot comb is very, very important, trust me. But if you don't have the hot comb, you can use the straightening iron, which in my opinion doesn't do the work like a hot comb would do. You can use the hot comb and then go later to use the straightening iron. So right here, never leave the wax stick looking like that on your weave. Make sure to go back with your hot comb or your coiling iron or something to flatten it down, to further press down the freezes and to actually melt the wax on the hair. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it forward and to show you what it looks like in a bit. So you just keep doing that, keep using the hot iron you can see that. Look at that, look at that. I mean, you can see the difference. Don't ever let your freezes stand up there looking like whatever on your head. You have to make sure to slick it down. After using your wax stick, make sure to use your hot tool to further press it down. It's going to give you a very, very neat finishing. Like, it's going to be so good. Many times people ask me, what do you do? This is one of the things I do. I have other things that I do, but this is something that I feel like everybody will be able to relate with and will be able to do. So it's very easy, and I believe anybody should be able to do this. I got the wax stick from wigs. I'm going to be linking their information in the caption if you need to get it. The wax stick is really good. I mean, it's really good. The smell is amazing. It does a good job taming the freezes, and it's a must-have. Yeah, so I'm just I'm just enjoying. See the way I'm just like romancing the hair. I ought to have left this side, but I'm just enjoying the feel. Honestly, look at that. I mean, if you had seen this wig, I mean, especially the closure before I revamped it, you'll be like, no way, like, let's just throw this away. So you can see it looks good. I think I'm okay with what it looks like. And then I'm just going to show you the back. So right here, the back, you also can go with your wax stick and slick down all the freezes, so you don't have to just stay at the top of the closure. You can go all the way to the back of your hair or your wig or something and use it to also tame the freezes. I mean, the one thing I like about this wax stick is the fact that it doesn't give too much shine. The shine is just moderate. There's some wax stick that you use and you see like it's going to be giving you some of them even give residue, but this doesn't give residue. And then the shine that it gives is actually moderate. It's not like too shiny and it's not like dry. It's just perfect. Okay, so again, when you're done putting your wax stick, you just go ahead again to use your hot tool to melt it down, because you don't want that white stuff, excuse me, you don't want that white stuff showing on your head and everybody knows here's something going on there. Okay, so this is how you do it. You go all the way. So I just thought to show you that it's okay to do it at the back as well. And this is very important, to always make sure your weave or your wig is not bulky before you go ahead to maybe coil your hair or to even straighten it. The comb actually does a good job giving a better finished product. Okay, even if you want to coil up or if you want to straighten your hair. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and style. So here I'm showing you the before, what it looks like. You can see what it looks like before and after. I mean, look at that transformation. I hope you have learned one or two things. I really appreciate you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Until I see you next time. Bye.